Alright, what's up guys? So today I have this kit I bought from Aliexpress. I was looking for some hood shocks for my CB7 because the freaking hood prop that it has, the stock one, that shit just fucking shit's like flimsy, and it like gets in your way like whenever you're trying to work on your car, or like on my car and shit. But yeah, you see, look at that. It's just like right there, and I don't really like that. Plus, the other thing, like, if I can get this shit to see, it just comes right off. It doesn't have that little clip to hold it in place. Yeah, I was looking for a kit, for a complete kit, because I didn't want to buy like brackets and then have to look for the shocks. I just wanted to find like a kit already put together with brackets and the shocks and everything. So I saw it on Aliexpress, and it also came with some pictures too, which is pretty nice. So as you can see right there, it says for Honda Accord CB7 or CB9, 1990 and 1993. So, and it shows like where the brackets go and everything. Damn, look at that shit. One day I'll have that H22 turbo. That shit looks clean. But yeah, you can see the shocks right there. That's how they're gonna be mounted. But yeah, I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna show you guys how if this focus. I'm gonna show you guys how to put them on, and yeah, get rid of this fucking flimsy ass stick. And I'm also gonna have a link down below in the description, the video description. So if any of you guys that have any CB7s and also want to get rid of that hood prop and convert it to the shocks, I'll have the link down below if you guys want to buy them. They're not too expensive either. They're like, I think I paid like $40, and it took like about 2 weeks to get here, something like that. But yeah, so you do have to wait a little bit, but I mean, for $40 and you get rid of this fucking stick, it's worth it. Alright, so now that both brackets are on, I can put on the strut and put this side and this side, and that's it. Got the driver's side and the passenger side on already. I did this one off camera just to see how everything would be, but came out good. Also, if you don't want to use these brackets, you have the option of using those. Shows on the picture right here. You could use this one or the other one, doesn't really matter. But I tried using those first, but I didn't like the way it didn't open the hood all the way. It would open it probably like, I'm gonna say like right there. I can't really see. Oh shit. Yeah, I'll probably like lift up the hood like about right there, and I didn't like that, so I ended up switching them out with the other brackets, and it lifted the hood up a little bit higher, so I went with those. But I mean, you guys could use the other ones as well, but Yeah, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks with the hood closed. So that's closed. There's a little gap right there in the center, but not too, you can't really notice it. But I mean, if you go over it with your hand, you could like feel it. It's not like level or anything. It's not too bad. But on this side, I feel like this side is better than the other side. But same thing. But you can't really notice it. You can kind of see it, but not really. But yeah, and also when you open it, it opens up easy, no problems. Way cleaner than that freaking stick. Oh yeah, I gotta take this shit off. Fuck that shit. But yeah, that's gonna be everything for this video. Like I said, I'm gonna link down the struts down in the video description. If any of you guys that have a CB7s want to buy a set, or even the CB9s, like on the paper it shows it's for CB7 or CB9. So if you guys want to buy a set, you know, I'll put the link in the video description. But yeah, till the next one, peace.